Yeah.
Hi, my name is Liz, and I had my mini-gastric bypass surgery approximately 2 years ago by Dr. Rutledge, by Dr. Robert Rutledge. And when I went in, I weighed about 265 pounds. Today, I weigh 144 pounds. I lost a total of 122 pounds since my surgery. The weight had dropped gradually, but definitely, and it's been a godsend for me. Before I had my surgery, I wasn't feeling very well all the time. I've had a lot of swelling. We have a family history of diabetes, heart disease, hypertension, cancer, and I know I was headed down that path. After having the surgery and losing all this weight, I know that I'm not going to have any of those problems that some of my family members do have, and I feel wonderful. I've lost so many inches that sometimes I'm kind of in denial of how thin I actually am when I still look at clothes that are extra large or large thinking that they're going to fit, and they don't because they're dropped around me. I wear size medium now in normal women's sizes. It's amazing to go in a regular store that I'm not used to going into. I love the fact that I can wear heels and my feet don't hurt. I love the fact that I can get up in the morning and not be in pain from my bones hurting or my legs being so swollen that my toes hurt, and I don't feel any of that. I feel like I have my 21-year-old body back. I remember how it's like to get up off the floor in an instant, or being able to sit in a booth at a restaurant and cross my legs. Those may seem little things, but to me, they're big, significant things in my life. The main thing for me is my health. That's what prompted me to do this, because I have a daughter, and I'm about to have a grandchild, a little baby girl. And I don't want to be in a wheelchair. I don't want to be always on a breathing machine or something like that was headed in my future. I will be able to play with my grandkids. I will be able to be there for things that I need to be there for, especially for my daughter. And it's just so many things that this surgery, the mini-gastric bypass, has done for me, for my life. It's amazing. It's giving me my life back. I have a new lease on life. I wish I could have done this 20 years ago, but I have it now. I'm 45 years old, and my whole life has just started. Everything, what I'm looking forward to in the future, my career-wise, I feel a lot more confident. I feel better about just everything in life. Everything in life has changed as far as my attitude, my outlook, psychologically, emotionally. I don't depend on food to decide what kind of day I'm going to have, and that was always my factor. Food was my savior. Food was everything to me, and now it's not. My mind is what decides now. It's my heart now decides what I do. No longer does it. I'm controlled by wanting to eat to make me feel better, or it decides what kind of day I'm going to have, or if I'm going to have a good day or not. Every day is an adventure for me now. I just got to remember to not be in such a denial that I'm actually am wearing smaller clothes, because I'm buying clothes that are too big and I have to take them back because I'm in denial. So, and my shoes too. I don't wear my size 9s anymore. I'm down to an 8. How did that happen? Well, my feet aren't as big anymore, and I can wear smaller shoes, higher heels, and a lot of people telling me that I look a lot younger, which is great when you're 45 to look younger. It just makes me feel great. I recommend this to anyone in the position where they're obese, overweight, depressed, or even in denial as to why they're obese or depressed or sick. They really need to meet Dr. Rutledge. They really need to come to one of the clinics that they have and be a part of it, look into it, research it thoroughly, and it'll change your life. It'll change your life completely. And what you need to do is go to the website, clos.net, and you'll be able to pull it up there and all the information. You'll be able to see a lot of the patients there that also have their say on how it's worked for them, and it's worked for me a lot. I still go to that website and check it out. It's wonderful. Thank you.